Hi, I'm Alex with Stoked Vans. This is our van Nova. It's a 2020 medium roof Ford Transit.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access a community all building their own vans at the same time.
We're based out of San Diego, California. We convert and rent vans for people to take on all sorts of different trips. We really like helping people plan out van trips, and we have a lot of experience with local places to go. So if you're interested in renting out a van in Southern California, check us out. So on the driver's side, we have this big open countertop. We have a fixed 2-burner induction cooktop. You can honestly cook some pretty cool meals. And then we have these 2 baskets that are mounted with all sorts of various things and just a bunch of storage. So in these drawers, just all sorts of cookware. And right here we have a 55-liter Dometic fridge that will hold enough food for about a week being on the road. And then right here we have various things. The electrical setup is a Goal Zero 1500X. We love these systems. We think they work super well. And I've had really good experience with the company too. We add those mountains to all of our builds too. We think they're a cool little unique touch. So on the passenger side, we have the sink. Just have 2 7-gallon cans underneath, one for fresh water, one for gray water. Super simple and really easy to use. The sink can either just work as a sink, or you can swivel it around, and it's a nice little outdoor shower to rinse gear or rinse yourself if you want. So we went with the dinette and table option for this. This drops down into the bed, and there are pros and cons to both setups, this and a fixed bed. With this one, you have way more space to sit and eat. If you're working on the road, this is probably way better than a fixed bed. The downside is that you lose a ton of storage. So we have these benches, both of them hinge open. There's quite a bit of storage there. But honestly, it doesn't really compare to the amount of storage you have under a fixed bed. So I'd say for weekend trips, or I mean maybe even as long as a week, this setup works totally fine, and you should have enough storage. For living on the road, I'm probably a bigger fan of the fixed bed. The table drops down onto these little rails right here to make the bed. It's super easy, definitely easier with 2 people, but you can do it alone too. So once it's in bed mode, it's about a full-size bed. It's a little over 6 feet from side to side, and all of our cushions were made custom for this van by a local upholstery place. It's 3 inches of memory foam, and honestly, it's super comfortable to sleep on. So now that it's back in table mode, you'll see the storage that you have under the benches. We keep all the bedding in one typically, and people will also put clothes there. And the other one, tons of room for luggage, ropes, climbing gear, whatever you want to take with you on your trip. Yeah, so we also have a rooftop deck up here, which we love. It's awesome to catch the sunset up here or eat breakfast and watch the sunrise. It's just a really cool place to hang out. We also keep a Polaroid in here and a little guest book for renters to sign. So all of our renters over the past few months leave a little note and take a picture, and we really like looking through them and seeing where people have gone. It's also cool for renters to check in and see who else has rented the van. Thank you guys for checking out the van. If you want some more info, you can look us up at stokedvans.com or on Instagram just at stokedvans. Happy to give you guys trip recommendations for Southern California or answer whatever basic van building questions we can.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, coming out soon, we have a course. The course releases in December, and if you sign up now, you get early access and a discount. The course is really in depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.